Start by checking tide tables for safe crossing times. Arrive 60 to 90 minutes before low tide. Make sure you know your turnaround time. It's vital for safety. Pack essential gear, good shoes, water, snacks, and a dry phone pouch. Bring a windproof layer for unexpected weather. Next, choose beginner-friendly causeways near life-guarded beaches. Explore shorter paths first. As you grow more comfortable, you can take on wilder crossings. Watch the weather and aim for neap tides for longer walking windows. Stick to these steps as you walk. Cross out when the sea falls, keeping an eye on the clock. If you spot any rising water, it's time to head back. For the best photography, visit during golden hour. This is when the light glows and reflects on the water. Capture the island, strand, and coastal sweep from a safe viewpoint. If kids are joining, create a fun game with the tides. Ask them where the water moves fastest. Encourage curiosity about nature around them. If traveling by public transport, look for seaside rail stops. A local bus or coastal path can lead to lovely vistas. For drivers, use official car parks and remain mindful of tidal flats. When adjusting to the tides, pack light but wisely. A day pack with snacks, water, and an OS Map app is perfect. Check that your gear is suitable for the conditions, especially windy days. To feel the magic of winter crossings, be extra cautious. Craving solitude? Sunrise or a weekday visit is ideal. Always respect the environment. Leave no trace, close gates, and ensure pets remain close. Listen and observe place names as you explore. They tell the stories of those who came before. Tidal walking connects us with history. To create engaging video content, shoot a wide view of the path. Slowly zoom in on details, such as pebbles and textures. For short content, stack quick moments, footprints, mapping, and exploring. A panoramic view serves beautifully to summarize the experience. If your goal is wellness, take a few steps barefoot through warm sand. For thrill seekers, plan longer coastal loops, experiencing different landscapes in a single day. Think of safety as style. Bright clothing looks good on camera and ensures visibility. Always check local guidelines for crossing timings and sensitive areas. If you're looking for perfect shots, wait for just the right moment with a human element. When the light hits just right, stay and soak in the beauty. Here's how to begin. Choose a weekend and a coastline. Look up the low water tide time and find a safe 2-hour window. Pack light and head out. Upon arrival, take a moment to observe. Notice channels in the water and the levels of seaweed. These are key indicators. As you explore the island, hike to viewpoints and inspect calm pools. Remember to navigate with respect and mindfulness. At the end of each adventure, save your favorite shots for future planning. When posting your experiences, share the tide time in your caption to teach others. Want more detailed guidance? Check the full guide in the description. Comment map for a downloadable checklist. If you're excited about the UK's hidden coast, subscribe and share this with a friend. Together, let's walk the path the ocean reveals just for you.